guys, today I'm going to be showing you the Flippin' Awesome paints and the Liquid Micas. So I picked two of the colors that we already have in the CrystaLac store, and I'm simply just mixing the two together to get the perfect blue that I had in my mind. So while I'm making this color, I want to tell you a little bit about the Flippin' Awesome paints. They are a 3-in-1 in one bottle. So what that means is that it's a primer, a paint, and a top coat. We do recommend going over your project with additional top coat for extra protection. So we would recommend either the extreme protection or the bright tone top coat depending on your project. I purposely picked a dark piece of wood that was already stained to show you how great this coverage really is. This is just one coat, guys. It covers so well. And as you can see, there's some streaks when I'm applying this, and I just wanted you all to know that it does self-level, so I'm not worrying about this one bit. You can spray or brush for your application on whichever you prefer. So here's one coat, and those streaks are already gone. So while that's drying for about 2 hours, I'm going to go ahead and get my top coat ready. So I'm using Bright Tone today and the Galaxy ColorShift Mica. These micas go a really long ways because they are concentrated. So I poured off some Bright Tone into a container and decided to get the perfect proportion to customize. So this Galaxy is my favorite. However, I will be showing you the silver as well. So I am going to apply a second coat just for ultimate coverage here. You can get away with 1 to 3 coats of the Flippin' Awesome. And I have the tack-on brush, the foam brush, and the makeup brushes that we have in the store so you can see how well each of them work. Once again, let that dry and let it self-level. Alright guys, here's time for the fun. Galaxy Liquid Mica, and I'm showing you the tack-on brush here. And I'm also going to apply directly with the silver so you can see how that works. I wanted to show off how concentrated it is, so you can dilute it with a top coat, or you can go ahead and apply directly depending on the look that you want. This is super pretty, guys. So I will be going over this with additional coats just for fun because you can build up the micas within each coat of top coat that you do.